Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install Subnautica game on PC for free. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to the store page and in the search the store type Subnautica and then click on this Subnautica game. Scroll down and here you can say play Subnautica, play for free until 6th of April. So it is a free game till 6th of April 2026. So click on play game and here you can say Subnautica game and the size is 6.55 GB. So click on install. Now go to the library and here in the list look for the Subnautica game. Here it is and then you can see that Subnautica game is getting installed on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install Subnautica game for free until 6th of April 2026 on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.